Hello viewers, welcome to the session. I am going to talk about life and works of Joseph Conrad. Joseph Conrad was born on December 3, 1857 in Poland, and he died on August 3, 1947. His father Apollo was a literary man. He was a playwright and a social satirist, but he died when Joseph Conrad, his son, was only 7 years old. So Joseph Conrad became orphan at an early age. Joseph Conrad was self-made. He learnt 3 languages: Polish, French and English. He went to France, where he learnt French. Then he went to England and he got a job as an officer on ship. As an officer on a ship of a British company, he had to travel long. He traveled through river Thames and Congo to South Africa, far distant continent. And this travel, which paved the way for writing Heart of Darkness. Joseph Conrad got rich experiences on his long voyages. He met many persons. Earlier, he had Bohemian friends. They advised Joseph Conrad to write plays, opera, a story, and earn a lot of money. But his experiences on sea voyages inspired him to write novels, short stories, and other works. Joseph Conrad wrote novels in English, which is his third language. He didn't write novels in Polish or in French. He preferred to write novels in English, interestingly. Joseph Conrad was a Victorian by birth, but he was an early modernist by outlook, by thought. So, most of his novels deal with post colonialism. Joseph Conrad was a strong voice against British or European colonization, though he was a Britisher and a European himself. Now let me talk about his important works. Joseph Conrad wrote many novels. I would like to refer to some of his important works. Joseph Conrad wrote Almayer's Folly and the Rover in 1889. His journey in 1890 inspired him to write Heart of Darkness. He wrote Negro, Youth, Lord Jim, Under Westerner's Eyes, Not Mono, and many other short stories and other works. Joseph Conrad wrote Heart of Darkness, which is a very important work. Though it is a novella, a short novel, but it is a brilliant indictment against colonization by the Europeans. Joseph Conrad clearly explains that the Europeans exploited the Africans and the people of the native in different ways. They looted ivory from Africa and made Europe and England rich by their wealth, but they rendered them poor, uncivilized and savage. All his novels deal with all these important themes: imperialism, colonialization, post-colonialization, racism, and so on so forth. I would be talking about more and more things when I shall talk about Heart of Darkness. Thanks for watching.